leader. Fox 8, your 10 o'clock news starts now.
And tonight's Deal or Dud product promises to end the snoring. You sawing some Z's right there. Sawing logs, window rattling, funny turns, but snoring is no laughing matter for many. Tonight, Deal or Dud will show us if a simple ring can put an end to all of that noise. And tonight's Deal or Dud product tackles a problem that can strain your sleep and your marriage.
I cut logs more than I would like to.
We like to make fun of snoring, but for the people who try to sleep next to snorers, they know it's no laughing matter. Up next, we put a new snoring treatment to the Deal or Dud test.
According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, about 1 in 8 Americans snore every night. Neil says he is not one of them. For some, it's a medical problem, but for many others, it's just a noise that keeps their spouse awake.
It'd be tough to listen to that all night. Well, tonight's Deal or Dud product promises to do something about it. Our consumer expert, Melissa Painter, joins us with a look at the anti-snore ring.
It is a ring. You don't wear it on your nose. You actually wear it on your finger, and somehow that's supposed to affect how you breathe. 3 sleep-deprived couples put it to the Deal or Dud test. The melody of snoring. Not exactly Beethoven, is it?
I cut logs more than I would like to.
Every once in a while, I'll wake up and go, Mama, awake, and I'll realize that
I've been paying tons of money for decongestants.
And their sleeping partners agree. The snoring is a problem.
While I'm trying to fall asleep, he'll get started up pretty badly. And just give him a good nudge.
It's extremely loud, and it's loud enough that it wakes me up in the middle of the night.
He's the best snorer in the world. He should get an Academy Award.
Sorry, that kind of noise doesn't deserve an award. It deserves to stop. And that's what the anti-snore therapeutic ring claims to do. Through the principles of acupressure, these raised areas on the ring apply pressure that supposedly increases energy flow to the meridian that affects the heart and lungs. This allows for improved breathing and less snoring. Dr. John Spangler at Wake Forest University Baptist Medical Center says that kind of acupressure has some scientific merit.
And there's been one small study showing that it actually improves daytime sleepiness, which indicates that it may be improving sleep.
But with the anti-snore ring, there haven't been clinical tests to definitively determine what that effect may be.
It may be due to the ring, it may not be due to the ring. We do know that patients will experience sometimes what's called a placebo effect, where they think they're being treated and therefore they just...
Our 3 couples are willing to find out if they think this $40 sterling silver ring is a deal or a dud. Joash, Bobby, and Chris wear the ring on their left pinky finger each night for 3 weeks. Listen to the results. Notice a difference? Their partners did.
He didn't. He didn't snore.
Definitely helped everybody sleep a little easier.
It's not completely like silent, but it's not near the loudness. It's a whole lot better.
Joash, Bobby, and Chris all experienced positive results while wearing the anti-snore ring.
It was almost kind of soothing.
I thought it was well worth it.
I felt like it worked.
And though the anti-snore ring didn't bring about full silence, our volunteers say it's a product worth trying.
I'd say this is a deal.
I would say it's a deal also.
Deal.
I'd say it's a deal.
Definitely a deal.
Double deal. He got sleep. I got sleep.
Finally, a true melody to fall asleep to. Ode to Joy. Dr. Spangler with Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center tells us there is no harm and wearing the anti-snore ring. But first, do check with your doctor to make sure that your snoring isn't a medical condition like obstructive sleep apnea. Now, you can buy the anti-snore ring online. We've got a link set up on our webpage, myfoxwghp.com. Do a keyword search for deal or dud.
So interesting. Some of your products, you think that they're going to be a dud right off the top. And this one, I was skeptical.
We all thought this would be a dud, and when they kept coming back saying it worked, we were okay.
All right,
so
go
worth
figure,
trying.
huh?
Yeah.
And he still claims he does not snore.
I know at least one person who may disagree, but we'll see.